Whether you're trying to elevate your in-flight experience, capture the perfect shot of a must-see destination, or get a little work done while you're away from home, the tech that you pack for your travels has a job to do. And in this video, I want to share 7 awesome, life-enhancing pieces of travel tech for your next trip. Hey guys, Nick here from Away Together. So I'm actually personally in the process of upgrading my travel tech kit. I've been doing a lot of research and I wanted to show you some of my finds. Make sure you watch until the end to see the actual case I'm gonna use to carry most of this stuff. First up, a smart solution for anyone who likes to watch movies or shows on their phone during a flight. This is the Perilogics phone mount. I actually got this recommendation from my mom on Instagram, but this thing is cool. And the genius of this is a strong, adaptable clamp that securely latches onto anything, really, but it's perfect for the airplane tray table. And it even attaches when the tray table is up. The area that holds your phone is adjustable and it ranges in size all the way from an iPhone mini to something much bigger like a Samsung Note Plus. It's got dual joint flexibility and 360-degree rotation so that you could watch in portrait or landscape mode. I know it just looks like a piece of plastic, but it's very thoughtfully engineered, it's compact, it's affordable. It's only like 13 bucks and it's got a crazy amount of positive reviews on Amazon. All in all, pretty cool. Thanks, Mom. When you travel with electronics, you inevitably need some cables to charge them. And I don't know about you, but a problem I've never really been able to solve is the tangle. I've tended to just carry a cord cube that kind of hides my tangled ball of shame. That is until I found this next item. These are MagTame automatic coiling cables, and holy crap, I love them. What's cool about them is they're self-coiling. When you need to wind things up, they magnetize to each other. No muss, no fuss. And then when you need to charge, you just pull out the length you need and it stays put. It's so simple, honestly, I can't believe I've never seen this before, but it solves a real problem. They're also tough, they're wrapped in sturdy nylon, and they charge fast, 60-watt 3A fast charging. They come in a variety of lengths and formats. I purchased a few different versions, USB-C to USB-C, USB-A to USB-C, and USB-C to Lightning. Yes, I'm still using a phone with Lightning. They're light, they barely take up any space, and they definitely punch above their weight when it comes to usefulness. My tangled ball of shame is now gonna look more like a filing cabinet. Next up is an item you most certainly need if you're doing any kind of international travel by a company whose adapters I've carried to 20 or more countries. This universal travel adapter by Epicka, the TA-105 PRO, is a go-to all-in-one solution for charging your devices in more than 200 countries, including ones all over North America, the EU, the UK, Asia, Australia, and more. You can charge up to 6 devices at once with 3 USB-C, 2 USB-A, and of course, AC power. Plus, it's super compact, fitting easily into your bag. And with 70-watt fast charging capabilities, your phone or laptop will charge significantly faster, which will save you time and allow you to focus on your travels. Epicka has also designed this adapter with safety in mind. It's got protections against short circuits. It comes with a built-in 10A overload fuse, which most other adapters just don't have, plus some spare fuses just in case. Now, a quick note, this is not a voltage converter. This is meant for dual voltage devices. Always check your device's voltage, particularly for those that are single voltage, to ensure compatibility and safety. Now, a nice thing is the USB ports remain functional even if the AC fuse encounters a problem, which ensures you uninterrupted charging for those smaller devices. This thing is great, and a big thank you to Epicka for sponsoring today's video. All right, well, what about when you're on the go? The last thing you want when you need to use Google Maps or WhatsApp or whatever is for your phone to die. So something I always carry is a good power bank. This is the Nitecore NB10000 Gen 2 Ultra Slim Power Bank. In the vast sea of power banks, the NB10K stands out for travelers who demand both portability and power without compromise. It boasts a 10,000 milliamp hour capacity, which translates to roughly 3 full charges for most smartphones out there. Its dual QC ports are a lifesaver, and they allow you to fast charge 2 devices at once. But here's where it really earns its stripes in your travel kit. Despite this thing's robust capacity, the NB10K is 40% lighter than the average power bank. It's slim enough to slide into your pocket, making it the perfect companion when you're always on the move. And for the tech-savvy traveler, its compatibility is great. Whether you're charging smartphones, tablets, or your adventure gear like flashlights and headlamps, the NB10K has you covered. It's even got a low current mode for those delicate devices like Bluetooth headphones and smartwatches, ensuring that you don't fry your smaller gadgets with too much power. It's also water resistant and has safeguards against overcharging, overheating, and short circuiting. I'm very impressed with this thing, and I think others are too. According to Amazon, customers don't return this item as often as they might other purchases. Hey, real quick, if you're getting value out of this video, I would love it if you'd hit that like button so that YouTube knows to suggest it to other travelers like you. Thank you. Next up is a true favorite of mine, the Peak Design Mobile Tripod. This thing isn't just any tripod, it's a compact marvel of engineering that is perfectly useful when I need it and out of the way when I don't. It's precision machined from solid anodized aluminum, and it's so durable. The durability feels counter to its light footprint. When it's folded down, the thickness is less than ½ a centimeter, which is smaller than a deck of cards. It fits effortlessly into your pocket or your bag, and it's ready to support your phone in portrait or landscape mode with an easily adjustable ball head to help you get the right angle. What sets this apart is the built-in magnetic technology that makes it compatible with any MagSafe phones or cases, or Peak Design's own line of cases. I love how small this is and how easy it becomes to grab a selfie, take a time lapse, or watch a movie. So, when you're in an airport lounge trying to get some work done, or you're on the plane trying to drown out the sound of the crying baby behind you, which I can say that now, okay, because I have a crying baby, who I love very much, don't yell at me in the comments, you might want a set of good noise-canceling headphones. These are the Sony WH-1000 XM5 noise-canceling headphones. They've been voted by The Verge, Digital Trends, and Tech Radar as the best noise-canceling headphones you can buy. They also boast a long battery life of up to 30 hours, which ensures they keep up with even the most demanding itineraries. Quick charging capabilities means just 3 minutes of charging can provide 3 hours of playback. Ali has had the XM3s and the XM4s, but a common issue with those was weakness in the headband that made them prone to cracking near the hinge. These have a different design, which seems much stronger. The soft fit leather is very comfortable, and overall they're pretty lightweight. So personally, my one beef with these is they aren't small. A set of AirPods will take up way less space, right? Or I actually usually travel with a set of in-ear monitors, but I have those for a different reason, and they're not realistic for most people, frankly. I actually bought these for the hours of Zoom calls that I'm in on a daily basis. But if you have room in your packing setup for a set of over-ears and you're in the market for a set of over-ears, I do think that these are the way to go. To round out our list, I thought it was time to upgrade the case that I'm keeping all my travel tech in. Look no further, my friends, than the Peak Design Tech Pouch. This tech pouch is the ultimate organizer for your travel gadgets and essentials, blending innovative design with functionality. The origami-style internal pockets create a unique system that makes use of every inch of space, and it gives everything from cables to SD cards its own rightful place. It's crafted from 100% recycled, weatherproof 400D nylon canvas, which is meant to stand up to the elements and keep your gear dry and protected. I love that it zips open wide so that you can easily access anything, and it's stable, so it sits flat whether it's packed or empty. Like all Peak Design gear, the attention to detail is really where things shine. There's a cable pass-through for charging devices without removing them, elastic loops for things like pens, SD cards, slip pockets, zippered pockets, pockets on pockets on pockets. It gets pretty small when it's empty. It's not the smallest I've seen in terms of tech pouches, but it expands really well when full. This pouch is very versatile. If you're a photographer and you need a secure spot for batteries and memory cards, if you're a traveler like me with a bunch of cables and adapters, or you're simply someone who likes to keep their stuff organized, this pouch is a great option. Honestly, I might use this as my tech/quick access in-flight bag. Toss in things like my eye mask, a pen for filling out documents. Really quality build, I'm a fan. I will definitely be adding this tech pouch to my one-bag travel setup. Which, by the way, if you want to know some of my top one-bag travel essentials, check out this video. Thank you so much for watching. Happy travels.